Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to assemble a pack and play. As a babysitter, it's always a good thing to know how to assemble one of these. Trust me. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to take this mat off. Most of them have Velcros, which will just come off. Okay, so sorry guys. My neighbors have people over and they're kind of being distracting. Anyways, back to the video. Now, I'm gonna set this up. And you're gonna do the bars first. So you're gonna lift up and then you will hear this click. Okay? Did you hear that click? Let's do it again. Alright. Now I'm going to set you guys down and do the rest. Because this thing's being wobbly. Do two at once. Alright, the next thing you are going to do, I suggest shaking it out. Now the center part, you are simply going to push down. Now, let me pick you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. You have a center part, like this, that you're just simply going to push down until it quietly locks. Here we go. Then you are going to put your mat on, and the Velcros right here will match onto the Velcros on your mat. These ones. And that will just go in as simple as that. Stay tuned for part 2 on how to deassemble this. Bye guys.